Ever wondered how local keywords can boost your business presence online? It's all about being discovered not only for what your business does, but where it operates. Imagine you're a Cleveland resident in need of a plumber. You'd want one in your local area, wouldn't you? When you search online, your ideal result is a plumber in Cuyahoga County. If you don't find what you need, you're likely not to use that search engine again. To ensure Google search users have the best experience, Google has a set of guidelines that help guide local customers to your business. Other search engines, like Bing and Apple Maps, have similar algorithms. What we've discovered is that the same efforts applied across search engines can improve traffic from secondary sources. One of the most significant ranking factors Google uses to decide where to display your business locally is distance. Imagine a scenario where your pipes burst or you're locked out of your home. You need a service provider who can not only fix the problem, but also get to you quickly. To counteract the disadvantage of not being geographically close to the area you want to rank in, you could geotag photos with location data from the areas you want to appear in. Another strategy is to create location-specific pages. Google will index your website and display your local page for topics it can identify you've written about. There could be reasons why search engines might choose to show a business that's further away. The competitor's reputation in the form of reviews could be significantly higher, indicating they may still provide a better experience. Or perhaps you've missed a number of calls, suggesting to the search engine that you're not available for new customers. It could also be that when your website was indexed, the content was too sparse or duplicated to offer any value. Reputation plays a crucial role when trying to rank on a search engine. It's easy to focus on getting reviews on just one platform, but most of these search engines cross-index each other. They can see if you have a reputation only on their website or across the web. Consider building a reputation on popular review sites like Facebook, Trustpilot, Yellow Pages, HomeAdvisor, Angie Leads, 5-Star, Google, Yelp, and Foursquare. In summary, local keywords are about enhancing visibility for your business based on the area of service. Google and other search engines use ranking factors, including distance and reputation, to guide local customers to your business. Strategies such as geotagging photos and creating location-specific pages can help offset geographical disadvantages. And remember, a strong reputation across multiple review sites can significantly boost your visibility. Harness the power of local keywords today and watch your business thrive.